one in the dark one like a centerfold. She got no kids and no nigga hit the pot of gold.
Baby, make us sleep, oh, what we always need, oh. Baby, make us sleep, oh, what we always need, oh. Baby, make us sleep, oh, what we always need, oh. Baby, make us sleep, oh, what we always need, oh. Baby, make us sleep,
It ain't a lot of niggas here that wasn't invited. At the secret location, can't find it. Got the addy in the DM from a bitch I used to be in. Yeah, by 11:30 p.m. They don't really like me, they just like my flow. A nigga catching plays, call it pick and roll. Been a pro with this shit, I'm not basic. She wearing all that makeup, but she really needs a face. I'm always on that bass shit. I got a loud mouth because you niggas never say shit. My niggas never change it. So let these drugs keep raining. Groovy Tony blank face. Walking like I talk it. Blue bill stalking. Critiquing art shows, leaves in the foam of my coffee. Bougie like a black beret, I'm trying to double up. Leave chill for the cheesecake, how we giving it up. Nigga, talk your shit.
what we always need, oh. Baby, make us sleep, oh, what we always need, oh. Baby, make us sleep, oh, what we always need, oh. Baby, make us sleep, oh, what we always need, oh. Baby, make us
It really didn't happen as it sees. It's really what you buy, not who you be with. Wasn't on the same page and I can see it. Every since you been with me, booty getting bigger. Hey, Swatty swimming, be counting. They know it's black, so it's bad luck if I'm counting. So I'm never lacking, never slacking. Gotta keep a grip. Treat a woman like a queen, treat a hoe like a pimp. Cause I need it all. Fucking for free anyways, let me take it all. Bitch, no, we can't get along, money ain't involved. I'ma do the whole dash, screaming fuck the law. Big cookies, big blunts, all day act rich, nigga. Really you strip niggas. Out green, twin chrome, quick to flip niggas. When I pull up hot in the AMG with the niggas up top, that you bitch wanna see, tell your nigga lie, slide to the Airbnb. Know you fucked up when she ran into me. Judge D, beat it by the trust BTs. Hope he don't try me. Untold body beside me. Chop a nigga up like a commie. Wipe a nigga nose, don't slime me. Fat meat grease, let me fry him. My drip is OD, I ain't dying. Fuck you and the drugs that you trying. All them fake rapper drugs I ain't buying. Tryna whip me a Porsche, a bitch ass off like Crocs. I'm tapped in like the faucet. Ain't no meaning in your actions. I won't ask you, I can't call it. Seen ballin', I know bosses, I'm with real ones, you not neither. I got sugar tarts and runs, you still smoke cookie and blue dream. You make this songs by your team. Don't say what you mean, don't be beat around no bushes on trash beats and sounding weak. I'm with BG, I keep shit neat. We so discreet, you see my intent, we so discreet. When I pull a shirt in AMG, you can't see me.
What's up? It's the Waste 510, back at it again with the finished product. Now, this just might be my biggest and best frame yet. We have the big boy Spider-Man Peeping Tom. We got the Ed, Edd and Eddy Starry Nights. We got the Helping Hands. We got the Onk, and we got the 420 Shaggy sparking that doobi to match with the Scooby Dooby to the same customer. So thankful that I had the opportunity to do another piece for him, and yeah. I just can't wait to see the two finished pieces together. And yeah, I got some Nike, anime Nike check marks. We got some Chopper. And Chopper, I decided to go for the feel of a no outline type feel. So let's see if we can master the waterfall effect. Same thing with the Peeping Tom with the Mary Jane tooted up. Looks like he stopped by his best OnlyFans model. But yeah, we're gonna try to do the waterfall effect on both, I guess on all of them. So as you can probably see behind me, it's nighttime. If not, let's push the frame. Just kidding. Yeah, so as you can see behind me, it's nighttime right now. I got the dogs outside in the backyard. I just spent a good 45 to an hour gluing up all of this. So how about we let it dry, put it outside tomorrow, take some pictures, and then cut it down. What's up? It's the Waste 510, back at it again with the finished products. Now, we got the sunlight coming in right on cue, because they know the sun blessed guy.
Oh, bro.
But yeah, as you can see behind me, we got the finished products. We got the Helping Hands, we got some fruits, we have an Onk, and we have a Nike sign check of Kakashi, a little hearty heart, and we got Chopper from the One Piece, the anime that nobody likes for some reason. I don't like it. I'm the reason. For some reason, I don't like it. But yeah, then we got this big boy Spidey. We got some Peeping Tom Spidey, and we got Starry Nights with the Ed-boys. Now, I decided to switch it up and decided to do cut pile and loop pile on this thing. So if you feel the textures on this thing, if you guys ever get so lucky, then you will be able to see that this is a harder texture than the background. So the background on that one and the background on Shaggy is a little bit softer than the foreground, if that makes sense. So his skin is loop pile and his hair is cut pile. So it goes from soft, or it goes from hard to soft, or soft to hard, vice versa. What are you gonna do? But yeah, and we also made Chopper all 100% out of cut pile. So we have the softest of the soft rug. And yeah, I think it's been outside drying long enough. Pull this bad boy inside and get it cut down.
I don't even know this girl. I could care less about her.
Well, Candy, why don't you check around Puerto Rico and see if there's a studio we can go drop some beats.
What's up? It's the Waist 510, back at it again with all of the finished product rugs in the background with our brother Milani. And he's gonna help record me carry all these rugs in the art room because you know. Slah. Alright, what's up? Whoa. Waist 510 in the freaking workstation. Welcome to my dungeon. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these rugs up out of here, huh? I'll start with this big Spider-Man rug. Like, this is one of the biggest rugs yet that I've made. Or one of the most biggest and detailed rugs that I've made. If you look at this, we got Peeping Tom Spider-Man with the booty, with brown Mary Jane. Whoa, then we got our Nike Swisher with the mom freaking Kankashi in the middle.
When I pull up hot in the AMG with the niggas up top, that you bitch wanna see, tell your nigga lie, slide to the Airbnb. Know you fucked up when she ran into me. Judge D, bitted by the trust BTs. Hope you don't try me. Untold body beside me. Chop a nigga up like a commie. Wipe a nigga nose, don't slime me. Fat meat, grease, let me fry him. My drip is OD, I ain't dying. Fuck you and the drugs that you trying. All them fake rapper drugs I ain't buying. Tryna whip me a Porsche, yeah, bitch ass off like Crocs. I'm tapped in like the faucet. Ain't no meaning in your actions. I won't ask you, I can't call it. I seen ballin', I know bosses. I'm with real ones, you not neither. I got sugar, toss and runs. You still smoke cookie and blue dream. You make this song about your team. Go say what you mean. Don't be beat around no bushes on trash beats and sounding weak. I'm with BG, I keep shit neat. We so discreet, you see my intent, we so discreet. When I pull a skirt in AMG, you can't see me. Yo, bitch ass off like Crocs. I'm tapped in like the faucet. Ain't no meaning in your actions. I won't ask you, I can't call it. I know bosses, I know ballin', I know real ones, you not neither. I got sugar, toss and runs, you still smoke cookie and blue dream. Like I said, all the fake rapper jokes I ain't buying. Feel the village and designer I'm buying. Lost in the matrix, I fucked her in Zion. Feel like the one when I'm gripping the sign. Walk in the bank and I make a deposit. I pick up my baby, I'm buying for posit. Feel like the baby, I'm rocking 4 pockets full. Ain't gas and I'm smoking this rocket fuel. Bro need a fit, but ain't got the tool. Fucking
What's up? It's the Waist 510 back at it again with some good news. We're in the tufting room now. We got a big boy Spider-Man, 3-foot Peeping Tom in the background. But today we're gonna be talking about something new, something different, something more softer than that. But whoa, Wasted Rugs. There we go. I had to fix the lighting. But Wasted Rugs is now sponsored by Dapling's Store. Yeah, the Waist 510 is now sponsored by the Dappling Store. The same people that we use for the non-slip backing, they just sent us this. Ha! I said they just sent us this. Hua! It should be working. I said they just sent us this. Hua! So I've been messaging with the Dappling Store for several weeks now, and I was super excited when they said that they would post some of my work and send me some samples. So, I had to rush to the door and grab my sample because the mailman said, Here you go. You see one of my old works right here, the lean cup rug made off of burlap, but with the dabbling store sending me a care package. You know your boy was super juiced, so juiced I left the tripod outside, but ran back inside, forgot that I didn't actually go out there for Krispy Kreme. So I was like, what? Tink brought the box in for me. That's my girl. Good girl, Tink. But it was time for human hands to touch the box and unwrap what we was sent from the dabbling store. And shout out to the dabbling store one more time because they did this shit in such an excellent fashion. So excellent timing. And we got some 12 tape. Thank you.
It's the Waist 510. Back at it again with the finished product. Finally finished this big boy Peeping Spider-man. Peeping in on some booty. But we're about to go ahead and get this wrapped up and go ahead and get it up. Oh, don't touch the merchandise yet. So we're about to go ahead and get this wrapped up and go ahead and get it over. So let me show you the process. You can't help me roll. You can't help me roll, not this. So we're just gonna take this roll right here and roll it up with our logo right here presented ever so delicately. And you know, just a nice little roll up. Nice little roll up. Like a fruit roll up. Roll up and like a fruit roll up. And if they don't roll up, then roll it up again. Well, okay. So it sounds like this. I wish you got a partner. But we're a one-man army. No-man team. So just go ahead and rubber band it up. Because you know what they say, rubber band wrist, so you know you're getting paid. 510 out here with another slave brother. Let's get it. Yeah!
Well, we got the finished piece here. For the loom, I wish you guys could feel the engravements. I like the banana for real, but yeah, the fruits. Oh, the other fruits came out fire. We got some fruity ooties with the fruity booties. Hell yeah. But another little 2-footer piecer. Go and slap it on the wall or go and slap it on the wall with the Waist 510. We got a
What color is it?
Who they think they fooling? Who they think they fooling? Third eye, aiming through the cooling. Never
guys, the Waist 510, back at it again. Now with a truck, so I can do stuff like this and show off the motherfucking masterpiece, the final finished piece of the Cartoon Network. Don't mind the carving on the letters. My lettering carving is a lot better, but just with it being so small and me using scissors and or clippers, it just wasn't doing what I was needing it to do. But this is the final finished piece. I'm just gonna go around the edge one more time with the duckbill scissors to go ahead and carve that up all nice and neat. But we have the Ed and Eddy Starry Nights with the Jawbreakers in the background. This was just for shits and giggles, just for fun. But we're gonna put this out on the market, see who wants it, with the messed up lettering. But it kind of works for Cartoon Network. Can you see it? Cartoon Network. But yeah, just a little shum. So you see the width of the size. It's about the size of, almost the size of the bed of the truck with the vibe in the background. Waist 510, back at it again with some wasted rugs. Get some B-roll of the fine carving real quick.
You're all like, that'll never happen. And then we'll get all cool and you'll be all like, whoa. And then we'll be all like, in your face. And then I'll be all like,